Our 2025 Kawasaki RidgeCrew isn't just a vehicle. It's our family's ticket to unbridled adventure. From the moment it rolled into our lives, this off-road beast promised to change everything. With its sleek design, unstoppable inline four-cylinder engine, and rugged six-passenger build, the RidgeCrew is built to smash limits and make every outing unforgettable. Our first ride was pure exhilaration. We loaded up, hit the trails, and watched in awe as the Ridge Crew powered through everything in its path. Gravel flew, mud pits surrendered, and rocky climbs turned into opportunities for triumph. The Ridge Crew doesn't just handle terrain, it dominates it, carving a path with strength and precision that turns every twist and turn into a thrill. Inside the full cab, comfort met chaos in the best way. Whether tackling steep inclines or splashing through streams, we stayed cozy in plush, automotive-inspired seats, adjusting the heat or AC to weather every season. The wild outside never interfered with the comfort inside, and it's always more than a ride. Friends cheered as we conquered obstacles. Kids squealed with joy as water sprayed sky high. Mountain views became movie-worthy moments. The Ridge Crew isn't just a vehicle. It's a memory machine, a way to reconnect with nature, adventure, and each other. This isn't just a ride, it's a revolution. With the 2025 Kawasaki Ridge Crew, your next great adventure is always a throttle away. Where will it take you?